Namaskara, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today I will discuss to you how we can make our soil good fertile. We all know lot of chemicals we have put in the field that has created toxicity. When we are putting the water, it get lost. Water became stagnated. Whatever chemicals we are putting, it is just wastage. About 70% chemical is wastage. If you say correctly, urea when we are putting, it is 30 to 40% is waste with the leaching, with the evaporation. Similarly, phosphorus, your fertilizers or potassium fertilizers when you are putting, it fixed about 80%. So plant is getting hardly 20-30%. And with that you are getting the benefits. But people are putting excess chemicals. When you are putting excess chemicals beyond recommended dose in lust to get the more yield, it is wrong. You will not get the more yield, you will get the less yield. But you are spoiling your soil. That has happened with our things. So when we have spoiled the soil, how it get back? It is simple way. It depends upon your soil. It may take 6 months, it may take 1 year. But soil will be turned to the fertile with the use of this liquid decomposer. Because this liquid waste decomposer contains your carbon fixing bacteria. Each and every soil required carbon fixing, carbon fixation. And carbon fixation is so far nowhere, no product is available. But in this case, waste decomposer, liquid one, when you prepare it and use it, if your soil is worst, use it 3000 liter per acre. How to prepare, we all know. 100 liter water, 1 kg jaggery, 200 liter water, 2 kg jaggery, 5000 liter water, your same 50 kg jaggery. Every 100 liter water, you have to put 1 kg jaggery. And then only single bottle, one bottle of the liquid waste decomposer you have to put inside. Either it is 100 liter water or 200 liter water or 500 liter water or 5000 liter water, whatever water quantity with your jaggery. And jaggery also not required very good quality, treated quality. It is raw jaggery. Whatever animals are eating, that you can take it. Or without chemical use also, if you have a jaggery, treated jaggery, you can take it. That is very good. Old jaggery also you take it. That is again best. So you put the jaggery and put only one bottle. If you are putting the pump inside, aquarium pump or any pump which can circulate the water, which can bubble the water, it will ready in the summer season, depends upon the environment temperature, in 1 day. Sometimes it takes 2 days. At present it is winter, it may take 3 to 4 days. But doesn't matter. It will multiply. Once it multiply, you will get the small smell, fermented smell. That fermented smell is a indicator it is multiplying. It is bubbling or less bubble or more bubble, it foaming, less foaming, more, doesn't matter. Don't go for that. You only simple see color will change, smell will start. It means things are ready. So this is the one product. I always suggested when you are multiplying it, you multiply in a small scale in 100 liter water or 50 liter water. In 100 liter water 1 kg jaggery, 50 liter water half kg jaggery, 20 liter water 200 gram jaggery. Put one bottle full. Once it's multiplied, from there you can take 5 liter, 10 liter and put in other pond, other vessel. All vessel must be plastic or earthen pot. Don't take it your any cemented, because when you are doing the cemented, it will color will be changed. Better way, if it is a large scale, you put the pond, put black color tarpaulin or any tarpaulin and multiply it there in lakhs of liter. So only jaggery portion will be changed with the quantity of water, but what this bottle will be same. Then you have to multiply years to years. Lifelong you can do with this multiplication. If you are adding after 5 years, 6 years, 2 years, it is up to you. One more bottle you can put, it will again activated, it will again you will get the better results. So because due to quality of water, due to jaggery, due to other keeping conditions, sometimes it get deteriorated. So how to recognize this is our solution is active or not? It is simple way. You can take any waste, biodegradable waste, and put this solution, wet it and keep it. If you are turning it, is good. Every week you have to turn and put in your liquid solution and see it is ready in 30 days, 35 days. If it is hard material, 40 days, not more than. If it is taking 4 months, 6 months, it means your solution became weak. You have to again put it your liquid waste decomposer. One thing has people have asked me कि they are using this old solution and whether this liquid we can put inside or not. It is good. Whatever you have a ready-made material, ready old solution, you can put this liquid again. One bottle is enough. Then it will multiply, because whatever bacteria are not in your old solution, this will be added and it will multiply. So this way you can do lifelong. One bottle is enough for your lifelong. Do it multiplication. So this multiplication, if you are doing it, it is one part. Other part, whatever the solution you have prepared, when it is became old, preferably 30 days old, 40 days old or more, there you make a micronutrient solution. Why I am repeating it? Because in some area of our south area and outside, people are not able to understand the Hindi. They have requested me, please repeat it. So 2-3 types of your pulses you take, moong, arhar, whatever pulses you have, no need to search any pulses. Whatever pulses you have, 3 type of pulses you take. Each of 2 kg or more has no harm. Take some oil seed, just like soybean, mustard seeds, your sunflower seeds or any seeds. Everything you have to crush it and make a powder. So all the powder you made, 2 kg of each means 10 kg has came. Now take a 1 plastic drum. There you put all this 10 kg material and fill 50 liter of your waste decomposer solution, 30 days old or whatever old, because as much as old, it release the organic acid and that is helpful for this preparation. This is one part. Other part, you take a soil. We call red soil. Red soil means not this iron content soil, it is what we call geru. What we put in our animals' horn or sometimes in our houses outside. So that 2 kg you can take. Then you take a iron nails, 11 iron nails, big size, put in inside. Take some copper wire or copper over this material, put inside. Then your zinc if you available, boron if you available, you put it everything inside. So this will be ready after 7 days. All the nutrition will come out, all enzyme will come out. This solution is called micronutrient on enzyme solution. This solution you have to use it in the field. Then other preparation is stones, different type of stones, whatever available in your nearby. All the stones you take it, at least put it in your any plastic drum, 2 feet layer, as many as stones you can take, and fill with your old solution of that solution. When you are putting it, after 10 days, all the nutrition, all your this element will leach out in the solution, and put one tap bottom side. That solution you have to use it. Besides this, you can take a different types of your leaves, whatever animals are not eating, 10 times, 15 times, whatever. Each leaves has to grind it up to 1 kg, and all the leaves, 10 times or 15 times leaves, you put inside the drum, and again fill with the old solution of liquid waste decomposer, and that will also release all the alkaloids, and this you are again going to use for the pest and disease control in the field. So this all the combinations, if you use it with the water at irrigation, take 3000 liter of waste decomposer solution, put 300 liter of your micronutrient solution, this pulses solution, and 300 liter of stone solutions, 300 liter of your leaves extract. All together it comes 3900, and with the water, flood water or deep irrigation, you pass in the field. So continuous when you are doing it, after 5 irrigation you will see your soil will be changed. Your soil, whatever soil, undecomposed material will decompose. Some black spots you will find in the field. Black color, why? Because it is decomposed. So that is organic carbon will be available. So when you are doing these practices, you test your soil first, see the organic matter, carbon, and after treatment, 5 treatment, 6 treatment, 6 months, you can test your soil. It has been seen, if you use continuous waste decomposer, 0.3% organic carbon increase in the soil, and soil became fertile. You start fertility, you will see the indication. So when fertility will start, whatever nutrition, suppose chemicals you are using to it needs only 50%. Urea, DAP, MOP, you reduce up to 50%, because it will increase the uptake value. It increases the fertilizer use efficiency. So when your soil is good, your soil porosity will be more, water holding capacity will increase, physical and chemical condition will change. This all you test it. ECU test, pH you test, your nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, micron, everything you test, you will find drastic change. You cannot believe how much soil has been changed. It became soft. Water irrigation will be reduced. As earlier you are using 5-6 irrigation in every crop, it will come down to 3. Half will be reduced certainly. Water consumption will be less. When you are plowing it, it is very hard. Now it will become very soft. So plowing is required less. In place of 4 or 5, you will require only 2 plowing. So results will be extraordinary. So this is the way to change the soil. We have changed some soil that I am showing you, attaching this video. You can see how it has changed. I want to show you, after continuous use of liquid waste decomposer, how soil became changed, its physical and chemical conditions, its aeration will be high, its conditions, hardness became very soft. You can wash this soil. Here we have used from last 7 months 1000 liter waste decomposer along with 100 liter micronutrient, 100 liter leaf extract and 100 liter stone elements just to change the soil fertility. In fact, it was very hard and it needs 6 to 7 plow. And water holding capacity was very less, so continuous irrigation was required. 6 to 7 irrigation per crop was not enough. Now, after 7 months use of waste decomposer at the rate of 1000 liter per acre along with micronutrient and other nutrients, soil became very fertile. It has become very soft. One can see lot of earthworms has been appeared and hardness is not there. Hence, plowing has come down to 4 and even irrigation, because water holding capacity has increased. Earlier when we are putting the water after 3 days, there was no water on the below the surface. Now after 30 days we are observing the moisture content. It has all been reported by farmers and I have witnessed it. So really it is doing very well. Waste decomposer, when soil is not good, if you are used in continuously proper way, your soil is no doubt will be changed. After 5 irrigation it becomes very soft, but somewhere it is here it is they have told me after 7 irrigation soil became totally changed. So it depends upon the soil. Now this soil, why it has taken much time? Because lot of logged chemicals are there, ions are there. So to break them, it takes time. Now all the nutrient is available. If you test the soil, organic carbon will be high. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, micronutrient, everything will be high. Whatever present in the soil in bounded form, it has been released. Hence, all the nutrition you will get more. And hence, when you are putting any crop, it will give you very good results. Means yield will be increased, disease will be controlled, and this soil particularly was full of fungus. Now fungus attack, fungus is less. So this all changes has came due to continuous use of liquid waste decomposer. So if you have also problem in the soil, you can also follow with every irrigation the method, and excess of more than 1000 liter has no harm. Less will take more time. That is the only difference.